Hello. Smells all right. Welcome to another hot lap. Hot lap number 77. Wow. September 25th. What do we got going on? Look at Eddie's new desk. Hey, you got a new desk. Show him the party trick. Whoa. I clicked number 3. Is that too high? Is it going to eject? We take care of our Edward right here. How many days to the end of the month? 6 days. Got 6 more days until the entries end to win a Nardi Steering Wheel and hub of Works Bell brand. So every $5 spent on the website, 1 entry into the giveaway. Every faction branded product, we're doing this no cuts, we're just going straight through. Faction branded products, double entries as always. So buy a shirt, buy a sticker, buy something, buy Frankie, and you get double entries. So yeah, you'll be able to win a Nardi Steering Wheel of your choice. What else we got going on? Anything interesting in here? No, not really. Not really. What? Oh, these?
Yeah.
Got some LS type. I think one's called LS type and one's called SS type. Is that right? I don't know. But these are Origin hood vents. They're for sale. They're about like $350, $380 for each. Come in and grab them, or we can ship them. They're on the website. If you need them, if you need to spice up your hood, spice up your bonnet, as they say overseas, spice up that bonnet. Put some hood vents in it. They're for sale. They're ready to go. What have we got going on in here? What's in the shop? Got a bone stock Sylvia, S13 Sylvia here, getting a gauge. Okay, getting a gauge installed. I think it's just getting an AFR gauge, if I'm not mistaken. Is it getting an AFR gauge, Chris? Yep. Got an SR20. Yeah, this thing's on stock suspension. The only thing it has is looks like an aftermarket intake. Maybe a fuel pressure regulator thing. A seat.
Tomei manifold.
Okay, so it's not bone stock. Power FC. Oh, it's not bone stock. A Pexi exhaust. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Easy pass. Here we have an Evo 10 came in for AC was making noise like from the engine bay. Turns out it needs a new compressor. Thing was smoked. So we're getting this guy in and out. Did a little inspection on it. Looking pretty good. Could use some TLC, but good car overall. This thing got this hatch here. As you can see, Chris is taking out the fuel tank.
Show him the fuel pump.
Oh yeah. This fuel pump looks like it was found in the Titanic. Look at that. Who's that riding past? I don't know.
Why does it look like it's from Mad Max?
Yeah, look at this Mad Max fuel pump. Looks like it came out of Burning Man. The thing is smoked. So, Chris is taking out the fuel tank. He already took a peek inside. That thing looked like a rusty bucket of bolts. So, straight from Nissan, we got a new fuel tank. Good thing you can still buy these things. Oh, Chris has something to say.
Let me get a word of advice.
A word of advice from Chris.
Y'all need to buy gas, and you see that tanker there? Don't buy gas there.
The tanker?
When they're refilling the tanks in the underground, You know how many rocks are in that fuel tank?
There's rocks in there? So what, don't get that freshly pumped fuel?
But it's kicking up all that dirt that's sitting at the bottom.
Dang.
The fuel going in.
Yeah, in the container.
Yep.
Gets all sloshed around.
Now it's in the tank.
Now it's in your tank. And you just paid $2.79 a gallon for some rocks.
$2.89.
$2.89, give or take.
You're getting $2.79.
I swear I saw $2.79.
Cap.
I think it was a Delta, but probably rocks. What? Good thing you can still get new tanks. Can you still get S14 tanks? I don't think so, right? Or only S13 tanks? I don't know. Let us know.
Why are you asking me? You're the one that runs the website.
I thought you would know. Ooh. We had a comment on the last hot lap. Nefarious Drivers Club says, good pickup on the Z. If you have any axle issues in the future, swap the hubs to 370Z hubs. Then you can run 370Z axles. Much stronger and obviously super easy swap. Good to know. Thanks, Mr. Nefarious Drivers Club. Our friend Ricardo, aka Silver Maverick, commented on the last hot lap and said, Nissan is discontinuing parts just to make sales. Whoa, it's like the Koki taillights all over again. Dang, you think that's really their strategy? Fear porn, we called it. Fear porn. Last week we had Fiji Raw from Poland on the podcast. Really good podcast. Go give it a listen. Kaichio TV commented and said, love the vibes of the worldwide drift family that's spreading. And he said, David Bob looks so much like JB Monty. I can't. Who's that? JB Monty. Let's look that up. Let's see. Uh-oh. Can't type. Oh, God. He's that bull rider. Oh, it's that bull rider who got, almost died from a bull, and then he ended up adopting that bull. That's what it looks like. JB Money. Yeehaw, brother. Yeehaw. I guess he does kind of look like David Bob. Waymaker says, so good, thank you. Big love to Fiji and David. Oh, and Fiji also commented, thanks for having me. I am honored. What a good guy. Fiji's a cool guy. Super cool dude. Glad to have him on the podcast. Hopefully we'll meet him again. We got back here. These are the boxes we were building earlier. Me and Eddie shipping out some body kits that need to go out, packing, shipping. We do it all here. Still got a lot of Origin in stock. Come and grab it. A lot has sold, but a lot is still on the shelves. Because we got so much inventory. Also, we got some hoods. S14, 13, and is there Jay-Z hoods in there? I think so. Maybe.
Yeah, Vertex too.
And Vertex body kits. Come here. Let's show them the Vertex. Let's show them the Vertex. This one, Vertex did recently raise their prices exponentially, so I understand why these might not have sold yet. But this is a 350Z Vertex kit. One of the best looking Z kits, I would say. Most classy looking. Got this. Wait, that's not a Vertex one. Oh, I think Frankie moved it. Yeah, he put them in the back. We got some. Let's see if I can find it. I think I did see it. This is an S14 Koki or Zenki? I forget. Damn it. Oh, there's another one. S14 and S13. We'll just say that because we got them both. S13 Sylvia. So you want to grab it from under Chris, the S13 Sylvia one?
Just notice the shelves.
You got to do it. Oh yeah, you see those extra shelves? We had Ken here helping out again, as always. Put these shelves up. Now we got some more room for the fluids. What else we got going on? Ooh, Snap-on videos. Why do you guys like Snap-on videos so much? As soon as we upload a Snap-on video, the views are always so much more than the other videos. I guess because it's... I mean... Is there a lot of Snap-on content on YouTube? Maybe, but I guess every truck, yeah, is kind of unique and different. So it's like people want to see that. We had some comments on the Snap-on videos. Tap sockets are Lyle brand rebrands. Buy the Lizzles. I don't know how to say that. Lyle, as they are half the price. Ditch Ramsey 207 says, quarter size ratchet with the 3/8 head is the best ratchet I've bought. I use it so much more than I thought I would. 100% recommend. Timothy Ice 89 says, I love watching different people make tool videos, man, because tool trucks are all different. Oh wow, I just said that. Well, thank you guys for the comments and thank you for watching. There's gonna be another one. I mean, Snap-on guy comes every week, and Frankie kind of just went crazy this week and bought a whole bunch. Well, not a whole bunch, but a whole bunch of money was spent. So yeah. Check out the next Snap-on video, because there will be one. And purchases were made. Eddie made a video. Well, we all went to the track a week or two ago, and Chris and Frankie drove this, gave it a little test drive, and it's a good car. Runs nicely. They say it's real easy to drive. Had some comments on that video. Let's see. Johansson Willie says that strut brace is holding in the engine for its damn life. Add some engine mounts to the list. Was it moving that bad? Dang. I think it's marks from it hitting the strut. Yeah, it looks like it's hitting the strut brace right there. Whew. Oh, somebody said that would explain that exhaust leak. Maxim Media says PPE long tube headers are the secret to a good sounding Z. Yeah, Frankie had those open in a tab on his computer. You good? Uh-oh, Chris needs help. Uh-oh. Is it stuck? What do I do?
Can you take the vacuum line off? You gotta get pliers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Emergency.
How's it going?
How's it hanging?
Oh, you know, just holding about 3 gallons of gas. My neck hurt. There's spiders everywhere. And there's fuel on my face. Other than that, I want to kill myself.
Grab these pliers. I don't know if these will work. You forgot about this line?
The who?
You forgot about this hose?
There's a hose there?
Nigga, what?
Yeah, I did. I forgot.
Come on.
Just cut it. Just cut it.
Yeah, it's on. No, it's stuck on there.
Just cut it. Get the dikes that's on top of my box. Spider. Let's cut it as close as possible. Yeah.
I'm a mechanic, guys. I made it. I did something. I saved Chris's life. Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted. Yeah, those long tube headers might be the way, but they're $2,000. So we're good off that. Might have to custom make something. Street Kid 08, let's freaking go. More videos like this from Frankie. And bro, your English is good said, holy Frankie shreds. And Danny Heat said, Unk still got it. Jordan Alexander says, this is way better than the S13 being resurrected. I always thought some satin black on the front and rear stock crash bars would go a long way on a unbumpered Z. Yeah, if you just paint that black, yeah, it probably would look a little nicer, but what looks even better than that is putting a freaking bumper on. But yeah, that's about it this week, guys. Uh-oh, Jesus is back. Where'd you go? Test drive. Or a joyride?
No, test drive.
Test drive.
This car's been kicking my butt.
So this R33, RB25, automatic has been randomly stalling for no reason. We changed the fuel pump, changed an injector, changed what else? Clean the MAF.
Clean the MAF and plugs.
And it just randomly will stall
While cruising.
while cruising. You don't even do nothing crazy, but it'll happen sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't.
I did a bunch of tests, checked the MAF, like if the voltage was good, it's all in spec, follow the flow chart, nothing. Right now I drove it without the fuel pressure regulator. It's unplugged, so it has no vacuum to it, so it should just be constantly fueling, like with high fuel pressure. And it installed on me, so I don't know.
Jesus has been beating himself up over this thing. Somebody help us, please, before he hangs himself. So you got about maybe 48 hours till he does the deed. So let us know, please. He's done everything he can. He's stumped, but he's still trying. He's not giving up. Hopefully somebody can help us. We've looked at the flow charts, looked at everything. If only this thing could talk. What the is wrong with you?
It would have been nice if the car had an AFR gauge, but it doesn't. That'd tell me a lot. Yeah, it's idle surging now because probably throwing too much fuel now. But I even boost tested, vacuum tested, everything. Everything is sealed. Everything is, I don't know. I don't know.
Well, here you go, Jesus. Take the mic, sign off. Tell people your last word.
I'm done. I'm gonna just